As you can see, I'm using a Shure Super 55 microphone, but sometimes I'm not in a mood of using, so I bought the Audio-Technica Broadcast Stereo Headset Microphone. Yes, the Audio-Technica Broadcast Stereo Headset Microphone. Jump to the unboxing table. So here is the Audio-Technica Broadcast Stereo Headset unboxing. Let me show you the box from the back. Yes, this is the BPHS1. As you can see, the box is a little bit broken. So now let me open it and let me show you. Okay, here we go. I mean, the first look is quite good. I mean, as you can see, I mean, it seems quite impressive. But also we get a cable and some extra, yeah, that stuff. But okay, this is the XLR into a quarter 4 inch. I mean, okay, the connector is like this, as you can see by yourself. Okay, so I have to connect here, right? Okay, how I like this? So I have to open this one. So I have to open this one out, and here we go. Here we go. And the good thing is that the cable broke and you can easily use a new cable. But now jump back to me and then let's do the audio test. Yeah, right now you're hearing me with just like a 3.5mm headset, this one I'm using. So now jump back to me. So right now you are hearing me with the broadcast, the headset. I forgot. It's like what is like BH1. Sorry, BPHS1. BPHS1. This costs you around 200 bucks, 199. If you want me to make such more audio gear equipment video, then make sure to check out the links in the description box below. I'm recording directly into my Zoom F4 without any mixer, without any equalizer, without any of my preamp, directly into Zoom F4 field recorder, which is a really high quality low noise field recorder. So you know to be the judge how good is the audio quality. Now let me turn on the fan. Can you turn on the fan? Let's see, can it pick up the fan noise or not? So yeah, it's a little bit picking the fan noise. Yeah, I mean, it's picking some of the fan noise, but much better. The fan is quite loud. The fan is at full speed, but still it's picking up. Now you can turn off the fan. So this is an open room without any acoustic. This is I'm recording in my hall. Very bad, I mean, audio, I mean, here I get, but I'm impressed. I am live monitoring my audio. I am literally impressed. When Jimmy Geek say he's impressed, then he is impressed, to be honest with you. Yeah, I mean, I am literally impressed. When Jimmy Geek says he's impressed, again, I'm telling you, I am impressed. The audio quality is wow. I mean, super high, super high, super high. It was me, Jimmy Geek. Make sure to check out the links in the description box below. Bye. Yeah, bye. Okay, let me get my camera remote to stop the recording. Bye.